Welcome to Automaster Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews and insights on the hottest cars hitting the market. If you're a car enthusiast, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Volkswagen is bringing back an icon, blending classic styling with modern performance and technology. The original Karmann Ghia, produced between 1955 and 1974, was a stunning fusion of German engineering and Italian design. It was a car that turned heads with its sleek curves and timeless appeal. Now, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is set to do the same, but with a 21st century twist. The new Karmann Ghia stays true to its roots with a coupe-like silhouette, sculpted body lines, and a low slung stance that gives it an unmistakable presence. Volkswagen has infused it with retro-inspired LED headlights, a minimalist yet elegant grille, and smooth aerodynamics to ensure it retains that vintage charm while embracing modern design elements. The rear end features a clean, streamlined look with slim LED taillights and a subtle spoiler, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is expected to offer a fully electric powertrain, aligning with Volkswagen's push towards sustainable mobility. While official specs are yet to be confirmed, industry rumors suggest a power output ranging between 250 and 350 horsepower, depending on the variant. With instant torque and a lightweight body, this car is designed to deliver an exhilarating yet smooth driving experience. The estimated range is expected to be around 300 miles on a single charge, making it practical for daily use while still being a fun weekend cruiser. Inside the cabin, Volkswagen has created a perfect balance between nostalgia and modern luxury. Premium materials such as leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable fabrics give the interior an upscale feel. The dashboard features a minimalist design with a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Volkswagen's latest software. Expect features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium sound system, and an array of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous parking. Driving dynamics have been a focal point in the development of the 2025 Karmann Ghia. With a low center of gravity and a performance-tuned suspension, it promises a blend of comfort and agility. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with precise steering, should make it a joy to drive on winding roads while maintaining stability at high speeds. Whether cruising along the coast or tackling tight city streets, this car is designed to offer a refined yet engaging ride. Volkswagen is expected to position the new Karmann Ghia as a premium electric coupe, competing with models like the BMW i4 and the upcoming Porsche 718 EV. Pricing is anticipated to start around $50,000 to $60,000, making it an attractive option for those looking for a stylish and performance-oriented EV with a strong heritage. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a nostalgic revival. It's a statement of Volkswagen's commitment to blending heritage with innovation. With its stunning design, electric powertrain, and advanced technology, it has the potential to capture the hearts of both classic car lovers and modern EV enthusiasts. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or new to the Karmann Ghia legacy, this car is set to make a lasting impression. That's it for today's video. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Karmann Ghia. Are you excited about this revival? Would you buy one? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Automaster Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.